we have actually focused for all industries. Yeah. So compliance readiness for the DPDP Act, Digital Personal Data Protection Act. Okay. I would like to give you an overview. Like any other law, okay, DPDP Act has come into picture in 2023 with Transforming Commission. Personal data need to be maintained, and it need to be processed as per the consent of the individual. So that's how actually it has started. So there are couple of years which have taken, and after that Sri Krishna Commission has come into picture, and in 2023 the Act has come into picture. We'll see the timelines as well, but this is in brief: 44 sections, 9 chapters, and 23 rules. And the core obligations are going to be enforceable from 13th May 2027. So we have hardly 10 months. So this is a course of action which we'll try to cover. Why DPDP Act, and purpose and scope, enforcement timelines, compliance journey, common challenges which as per DPDP Act what industries are going to face, and the requirements, industry specific points, core principles, rights and obligations, etc. So why the Act has come into picture? Even though we have got IT Act 2000, which has addressed only partly data protection, so India lacked a dedicated personal data protection law. So it was introduced in 2023 to provide a comprehensive legal framework. Okay, the purpose is to protect individuals' personal data, and we need to promote responsible data processing, ensure organizational accountability, and strengthen digital trust. The objectives are to protect privacy rights of an individual, regulate digital personal data processing, and empower individuals with data subject rights, data rights, and promotes responsible data governance. The scope is it's applicable to all sorts of data. Now data is gold. Okay, data is an asset. Data is everything. So whenever we provide our data to our customers, clients, or companies, or employees, we should be very much cautious. As an individual, we are called an individual. In DPDP Act, it's called data principle. Okay, so even offline personal data that is going to be digitalized, the Act is applicable. And if processing data outside India for any sort of service, or as a part of service offered to individuals in India, it's applicable. So the enforcement timelines, okay, as against the Act and rules. Okay, in August 2023, the Act has come into picture, and in November 14, 2025, the DPDP rules have been notified. Okay, and Data Protection Board framework got activated. Okay, and this year, from 13th November 2026, consent manager registration obligation is going to commence.
Watch the full video on our website. Click the link in the description to get started.